Ceilings plaster, can't you just make it move faster? Lovely to be sitting here with you. You're kinda cute, but it's raining harder. My shoes are now full of water. Lovely to be rained on with you. It's kinda cute, but it's so short. Then you're driving me home, and I don't wanna leave, but I have to go. You kiss me in your car, and it feels like the start of a movie I've seen before. Bed sheets, no clothes, touch me like nobody else does. Lovely to just lay here with you. You're kinda cute, and I would say all of this, but I don't
birds have left the trees. The light pours onto me. I could feel you lying there all on your own. We got here the hard way. All those words that we exchange. Is it any wonder things can go? Cause in my heart and in my head, I'll never take back the things I said. So high and bold, I feel it coming down. She said, in my heart and in my head, tell me why this has to end. Oh no, oh no, I can't save us. My Atlantis, we fall. We build this town on shaky ground. I can't save us. My Atlantis, oh no. We build it up to pull it down. Now all the birds have fled. The hurt just leaves me scared, losing everything I've ever known. It's all become too much. Maybe I'm not built for love. If I knew that I could reach you, I would go. It's in my heart and in my head. You can't take back the things you said. So high on both, I feel it coming down. She said, in my heart and in my head, tell me why this has to end. Oh no, oh no, I can't save us. My Atlantis, we fall. We build this town on shaky ground. I can't save us. My Atlantis, oh no. We build it up to pull it down. Yeah, we build it up and we build it up. Yeah, we build it up to pull it down. And we build it up and we build it up. And we build it up to pull it down. I can't save us. My Atlantis, we fall. We build this town on shaky ground. I can't save us. My Atlantis, oh no. We build it up to pull it down.
I don't got a single problem with provocative. See the bodies, how they burn, it's just the way it is. Smoky, dark, crowded room, I need nothing under pink light in June. I was so cool, but then all of a sudden you saw me look at you. I burn for you, and you don't even know my name. If you asked me to, I'd give up everything to be close to you. Pull the trigger on the gun I gave you when we met. I wanna be close to you. Break my heart and start a fire. You got me overnight.
Ford Cortina, I will never rust. If you like your coffee hot, let me be a coffee pot. You call the shots, babe, I just wanna be yours. Secrets I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Let me be your lucky meter, and I'll never run out. Let me be the portable heater that y'all get cold without. I wanna be a steady lotion, hold your hair in deep devotion, at least as deep as the Pacific Ocean. I wanna be yours. Secrets I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. 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 Wanna be your vacuum cleaner, breathing in your dirt. Wanna be your Ford Cortina, I will never run. I just wanna be yours. I just wanna be yours. I just wanna be
Open to double doors, typical, pretty sure I could grow up. Probably chemical, I took up walking to turn it all off. Doesn't feel bearable. Guess I thought when I left it would all stop. It would all stop. Did I fall out of line when I called you? When I told you I'm fine, you were lied to. How could I think that all that I gave you was enough? 'Cause every time I get too close, I just go mess it up. Funny that didn't work. I could be anywhere, I'm on your block. Cynical, terrible, kicking myself with my gut in the knot. 'Cause I heard that you're happier, hope that you're sleeping well, knowing I'm not. I'm doing too much. Did I fall out of line when I called you? When I told you I'm fine, you were lied to. I told you how could I think that all that I gave you was enough? 'Cause every time I get too close, I just go mess it up. I keep thinking maybe if you let me back in, we could make it better, breaking every habit. Pull myself together, you could watch it happen. Let it happen, let it happen. I keep thinking maybe if you let me back in, we could make it better, breaking every habit. Pull myself together, you could watch it happen. Let it happen, let it happen. Did I fall? I keep thinking maybe if you let me back in, when I call, we could make till you wanna sit it out. Smoking cigarettes on the roof. You look so pretty and I love this view. We fell in love in October. That's why I love fall. Looking at the stars, admiring from afar. My girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my world, my world, my world, my world. You will be my girl. Smoking cigarettes on the roof. You look so pretty and I love this view. Don't bother looking down, we're not going that way. At least I know I am here to stay. We fell in love in October. That's why I love fall. Looking at the stars, admiring from afar. My girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my girl, my girl, my girl, my girl. You will be my world, my world, my world, my world. You will be my girl.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me love when you are down and need another. I've gotta get away and let you go. I've gotta get over. But I love you so. I love you so. I love you so. face straight out a magazine. Caught on the nose, but you never leave her. Hot by the clover is starting to chafe, and when she gets this gun, he's begging, babe, stay, 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 stay. I'll give you one more time, we'll give you one more fight, set one more line. Will I know you? Now if you never shoot, you never know. And if you never eat, you never grow. You got a pretty kind of dirty face, and we're still leaving your home. Stay, 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 stay. I'll give you one more time, we'll give you one more fight, set one more line. Be right, 'cause I know you. Well, now that you've got your gun, it's much harder now the police have come. And I'll shoot him if it's what you ask, but if you just take off your mask, you find out everything's gone wrong. Now everybody's dead, and they're driving past my old school. And he's got his gun, and he's got his suit on. And she says, babe, you look so cold. You look so cold. You look so cold. You look so cold too. You look so cold. You look so Cause I'm in love with these Tumblr girls with skinny waists and drug habits, pretty faces, love status. She acts as if she's the baddest. Man, I swear she's just like tons of girls. She expects the free drinks, and I'm successful, she thinks. Always comes around when we thinks. We fuck off and on, off and on. Only ever really fuck off and on. Never see her these days cause I'm off and gone. When I'm home off tour, never stop for long. Back this week from across the pond. Notice I was close to the block she's on. Elevated to the floor, loft was on. Drinking whiskey, she likes vodka strong. But after we fuck, it's over. Walk out the door, that's closure. No, I can't stay here and hold her. Tomorrow I'll act like I don't know her. Would never be here sober. Can't tell which one is colder. My clothing's on, we both did wrong. I gotta go, that's what I told her, yeah. She said she can't feel her face. Yeah, right now I can't feel my heart. For your feelings, there's no place.
a drama, she chose it. She draws a line and she blows it. The most fun, I suppose it. Pops a bottle, won't close it. Feels a fit, then she throws it. She pops a bar, now she's dozing. She's hot and cold, hot and cold. Homie, I don't know, she's hot and cold. Truly the bullshit has gotten old. Superficial with a rotten soul. Fucking off and on, always stop and go. Probably got someone, choose not to know. Head to her place, then we lock the door. Making bad calls when I'm off the blow. Cause she's a bitch, I'm selfish. Want every girl, can't help it. And it's tough for me to shelf it. It's you I see myself with. Right now I know you felt it. I touched it and she melted. We shouldn't chill, but we do it still. Gotta play the hand if you dealt it, yeah. She said she can't feel her face. Yeah, right now I can't feel my heart. For your feelings, there's no place. Yeah, but you knew that from the start. You and I were made of glass, we'd never last. You and I were made of glass, we'd never last. Quick to die, we moved fast and then we crashed. You and I were made of glass.
Missing everything you say. It's not important what you stand for. You're asking, will he be the one? I'll be gone before you're done tonight. Waiting for another day. You're not getting what you paid for. Trying to salvage what's undone and deny you got outrun tonight. Never knew her name, they're looking all the same to me. They only chase the fame, there's no one left to blame but me. So I heard you found somebody else, and at first I thought it was a lie. I took all my things that make sound, the rest I can do without. I don't want your body, but I hate to think about you with somebody else. Our love has gone cold, you intertwining your soul with somebody else. I'm looking through you while you're looking through your phone, and I just want you to adore my body, my body. I could go and read your mind, think about your dumb face all the time. Living in your glass house, I'm outside, looking in her big blue eyes. Did it just to hurt me, make me cry? Smiling through it all, yeah, that's my life. You're an idiot, now I'm sure, now I'm positive I should go and warn her. Ooh, bet you think that she's so cool, kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across the room. Wait, I think I've been there too. What you do to get you off? Taking down her hair like, oh my god. Taking off your shirt, I did that once or twice. No, fuck off. But I think I like her, she's so fun. Wait, I think I